Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be covering expressions and equations and how they differ, and also just clearing up some misconceptions between expressions and equations, and just some simple steps to simplify expressions. Just because throughout all of math and physical sciences, we'll be solving equations in terms of other variables and whatnot. So, before we hop into the meat of the video, if you guys are enjoying the content, smash that like button, and also subscribe to the channel for more content. And also in the comment section down below, please comment any topics you guys want me to drop down below, or sorry, you guys want me to comment. You guys want me to cover down below. But without further ado, let's hop into it. So, expression and equations both tell statements in mathematics. So they tell us information between other things. Okay, so the easiest one to start with is expressions. So when you hear the word expression in the real world, what do you think of? Well, me personally, what comes to mind is something people say with meaning to us. And in mathematics, that's pretty much the same thing with expressions. Expressions that tells us what numbers and variables are pretty much doing, what they mean, how they are behaving in that sense. So like we have these two, 3x plus 2 and x plus 1. Well, 3x plus 2, move that up a little bit. 3x plus 2 tells us pretty much I'm going to take any number, multiply it by 3, then add 2. And x plus 1 is I'm going to take any number and add 1 to it. And that's a group B. And so pretty much we could say it's a group of numbers and variables and how they behave, and it's saying what they're doing pretty much. Okay, so you guys are thinking, okay, Swiss, I get that, but how do they differ from equations? Because I've always been told that they're the same. Well, they're not. So they're not interchangeable. They're not the same, and the reasons why is because equations equate. So equations equates things to one another. They develop relationships between other variables, when expressions do not. So equations also say, okay, so I have a quantity that's equal to another. That is a direct outcome to a different quantity set. So an example, so y is equal to 3x plus 2. So pretty much this equation is saying a number y is the direct outcome of multiplying any number by 3 and adding 2 to it. Or another example, 1 is equal to x squared plus 2. 1 is equal to x squared plus 2. So pretty much this is saying, well, the outcome of x squared plus 2 is 1. Okay, so just some basic steps to solve simplify expressions. So let's take a look real quick. I just got my Sharpies confused. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so 3x with 3 times the quantity of x plus 3 minus 4 plus 4x. Okay, so to simplify expressions, you just need to follow the basic order of operations. Okay. Sorry, let me turn my page to minutes. So pretty much, alright, so basic math here. Okay, so order of operations stays, okay, if there's a quantity inside of any grouping symbols, we would do that. But this is as simplified as it gets. We can't combine these two like terms together. There isn't any exponents here to do, so we multiply. Okay. So and applying the distributive property, we have 3x plus 9 minus 4 plus 4x. I'll be covering those properties of real numbers in the next video, and also distributive property in the next video. But getting back to the example, we combine like terms. 3x plus 4x are like terms. So pretty much if they're the same variable and the same power, we can combine them. So 3x plus 4x is 7x. So move that out of the way. 7x, and these are constants, so that's plus 5. Okay. 7x plus 5 is the most simplified form. If there's any common factors between the two, you'd pull them out. Alright, so just to recap before I end the video. So equations are quantities equated to each other. They are relationships between each other. They tell relationships between different quantities, and they're pretty much telling us outcomes. Whereas expressions are just a single quantity that's following just a bunch of different operations to get just to get a simplified outcome. I'll see you guys next video. Hope this helped out.